Hello, and welcome to today's discussion on small and medium enterprises in Papua New Guinea.
Over the next minutes, we'll explore the challenges, opportunities, and potential growth for SMEs in this country. Whether you're an entrepreneur, investor, or simply curious about the sector, this overview will give you valuable insights into what's shaping the SME landscape in PNG. Let's begin by looking at the importance of SMEs in PNG's economy. Small and medium enterprises are the backbone of the country's economic development. They contribute significantly to employment, local income generation, and economic diversification. Many of these businesses are centered around agriculture, retail, services, and tourism. However, despite their importance, SMEs face several challenges that hinder their growth. One of the main challenges is access to finance. Many small business owners in Papua New Guinea struggle to secure funding from traditional banks due to a lack of collateral or formal credit history. This limits their ability to expand operations or invest in new technologies. However, there are government-backed initiatives like the National Development Bank that offer loans specifically designed for SMEs. Additionally, microfinance institutions play a critical role in providing smaller loans to entrepreneurs, particularly those in rural areas. Another significant challenge is infrastructure. Poor road networks, unreliable electricity, and limited access to communication services make it difficult for businesses to operate efficiently, especially outside major urban centers like Port Moresby and Lae. For instance, transporting goods from rural areas to markets can be both expensive and time-consuming. Improving infrastructure is crucial for connecting SMEs to broader markets and helping them thrive. Skills and capacity building are also critical issues. Many entrepreneurs in PNG start businesses without formal training in business management, finance, or marketing. Skills and capacity building are also critical issues. Many entrepreneurs in PNG start businesses without formal training in business management, finance, or marketing. This lack of technical knowledge can result in inefficiencies and missed opportunities. However, there are ongoing efforts to bridge this gap through training programs offered by the SME Corporation, NGOs, and business incubators. These initiatives aim to empower local entrepreneurs with the skills they need to succeed and grow their businesses. Let's now talk about some of the opportunities available for SMEs in Papua New Guinea. One of the most promising sectors is agriculture. With rich natural resources and fertile land, Papua New Guinea has enormous potential in agricultural exports. Smallholder farmers are the backbone of the country's cocoa, coffee, and copper industries. SMEs involved in food processing, packaging, and export services have an opportunity to tap into international markets and add value to raw agricultural products. Another sector with high potential is tourism. Papua New Guinea's stunning landscapes, rich cultural heritage, and biodiversity attract international visitors, providing a platform for SMEs in hospitality, travel services, and cultural tourism. Eco-friendly lodges, guided tours, and locally produced souvenirs are just a few examples of how SMEs can capitalize on PNG's growing tourism industry. Beyond these industries, technology and innovation are also starting to make their mark. Although still in its early stages, the digital sector in PNG is opening up opportunities for e-commerce, mobile services, and fintech. As internet access expands, more small businesses are adopting digital tools to reach new customers, streamline operations, and increase their efficiency. It's clear that the SME sector is central to PNG's economic future. But for these businesses to reach their full potential, collaboration between the government, private sector, and development partners is essential. By improving access to finance, upgrading infrastructure, and offering training opportunities, the path to sustainable SME growth becomes clearer. In conclusion, while Papua New Guinea's SMEs face significant challenges, they are also in a unique position to drive economic development and create jobs. With the right support systems in place, these businesses can thrive and contribute to the country's long-term prosperity. Whether it's in agriculture, tourism, or technology, SMEs have the potential to reshape PNG's economy in the years to come. Thank you for joining me in today's discussion. I hope this overview has provided valuable insights into the SME sector in Papua New Guinea. If you're interested in learning more or supporting SME development, Stay tuned for additional resources and programs aimed at fostering entrepreneurship across the country. Have a great day and see you next time.